exploring the impact of ADA and EAA legislation on business operations. As the landscape of accessibility laws continues to evolve, it's essential for businesses to stay informed and compliant. Regulations such as the American with Disabilities Act, ADA, and the European Accessibility Act, EAA, are crucial. The ADA was first implemented in 1990 in the United States. The EAA was adopted by the European Union in 2019. Both legislations aim to ensure equal opportunities for individuals with disabilities by promoting accessibility in daily life. Businesses must adhere to the guidelines set forth by these laws to provide accessible environments and services. Compliance means accessible environments and services for all customers and employees, regardless of ability. Failure to comply with ADA and EAA regulations can have serious consequences for businesses, including fines or legal action. Non-compliance also causes damage to reputation and limits your potential customer base. Ignoring these laws contributes to marginalizing individuals with disabilities in society. Key requirements of these laws include physical accessibility of spaces, digital accessibility of websites and online services, and accommodations for employees with disabilities. By implementing necessary measures and accommodations, businesses can enhance their inclusivity, build customer trust, and improve overall brand reputation. Staying up to date with the latest developments in ADA and EAA legislation is crucial for businesses to foster a culture of accessibility and inclusivity. Let's work together towards a more accessible and equitable future for all. Share and repost this video to anyone whom you think would be most likely be affected to avoid reputational damage, hefty fines, and potential lawsuits. The question, though, is this: are your website, blogs, and e-commerce sites are compliant? What if you're unsure if your website is fully compliant? What if some other elements are missing on your website that are required in international standards trading online? Would that cause sleepless nights thinking about becoming a potential lawsuit target? Can you really afford to ignore it? Think about the legal and financial ramifications and reputational damage to your business. You should be thinking about how to grow your business and not legal consequences for non-being accessibility compliant, right? Well, here's the good news. Are you ready for it? Imagine this. What if you could have your website, blog, or e-commerce site compliant and protected while doing business online, giving you peace of mind? Without looking over your shoulder digitally for federal or state authorities or lawsuit lawyers knocking on your door. Would that be good? Here's the good news. We'll have your website compliant and protected from day one at zero costs. We're not just going to offer you a free scan audit your website unlike any other service providers. Why? Because time is of the essence. Unfortunately, web scanning audit report will not protect your site. You could be receiving a demand letter anytime during that scanning period. That could be too late. Make sense? That makes us different from other service providers. Your site will be compliant and protected once the setup is completed. Again, your website will be compliant and protected for a limited time at zero costs. No obligation after the free trial period. Yes, you read it right. So go ahead, contact us or DM me today and have your website, blog, or e-commerce compliant and protected while doing business online, giving you peace of mind without looking over your shoulder digitally. Do it now before it's too late. We'll see you on the inside.